it's me again, Margot. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm gonna help my mom to make strawberry milkshake. So we have this strawberry and it's overripe. The first thing we need is we're gonna remove the leaves and put the strawberry in the bowl. We're gonna chop this strawberry and then put it in this blender jar. Next, we will put a little bit of fresh milk. Then we will put the condensed milk. Then we're gonna put some ice.